and welcome to a new vlog. I just got home from work. It is Monday and I stopped off at the store and got adult things like toilet paper on my way home. I'm now making dinner. I'm pretty tired, but it's a Monday and we survived, and I'm just gonna show you my outfit real quick. I can't remember if I updated you in last week's vlog, but I got a new mirror for this wall and I absolutely love the frame on it. It's taller than the last mirror that I had and also a lot cuter. So it's from HomeSense Canada. I got it the other day. It doesn't always work out too well, this positioning. Like, it looks really cute here, but it doesn't look that cute for filming because the light comes from behind me. But this is what we're working with. So my outfit, I've worn this before. This is a silk top from Dynamite, and I really like that it has a necktie, and it's actually a really subtle animal print. So it's really cute, really lightweight, and like just an easy outfit. I have a black tank top underneath from Walmart, my favorite. I actually took off my jewelry already because as soon as I got in the door, I was just like feeling like I wanted to just take off all my jewelry. So I was wearing just silver earrings and a silver watch. My hair is straight today, and then I'm wearing these black dress pants that are so comfy. I actually got 2 pairs of them just because I love them so much. They're just so easy to wear. Can't tell too much the details, but they have clips on the top and then little pockets, and I really like that they have pockets because a lot of women's dress pants don't have pockets. They're from Dynamite and they fit really nicely. They also have fake butt pockets too. That's my outfit. I wore it with like just black pointy toe shoes, and that's my outfit. And I immediately put on comfy clothes. This is an old sweatshirt from Victoria's Secret pink, and some leggings from Adidas. Gonna tie my hair up probably and just be comfy for the evening because I ran all my errands and I don't need to go out for the rest of the day, and I have a lot of editing to do, so I want to be comfy. I am just peeling off this face mask, which I put on really thinly, and I didn't think it would actually peel off, but it is. It's so satisfying. It is a Life brand charcoal peel off mask. I don't do masks too often, but I feel like my skin just kind of needed a refresh. But please leave me a comment below on any of your recommendations. What are your favorite masks? This one's nice because it peels off and you feel like your pores are nice and tight afterwards. That's mainly what I like, but I also like skin brightening, just kind of like masks that help to refresh your skin, so let me know. And I'm also in the middle of doing my nails, so it's kind of like a self-care night. Giving myself an hour to do this, and I'm editing a video at the same time because I have a busy week ahead. I need to start packing for my trip to Mexico and really just get ready for it because I'm leaving in a couple days and it has creeped up so much. I mentioned that this is a work trip, so I didn't do any of the planning of it, so it kind of like creeped up and it doesn't really feel real, but now it's a few days away and I'm so excited. All right, this is not gonna peel off. I have to just wash it off, but it feels so good. There we go, fresh face after a mask. I'm gonna wait for my skin to dry up and then I'm gonna put on moisturizer. Time to do my nails. It is Wednesday. I just got back from a business meeting because I'm going to Mexico next week for a business trip, so this was like a pre-meeting. So just a little bit nicer than I normally do, just a little bit. So I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. So I have my hair straight. I need a haircut so badly. I'm getting one on Saturday. I'm wearing this really pretty tiered necklace from H&M. Then on top I'm wearing this blazer that is like a plaid print from H&M as well, gray and black. And then I'm wearing this black chiffon go-to top from RW&Co, which I love so much. It's a sleeveless top, but it's just like so comfy and perfect for work outfits. You can't really tell because it's black. And then I'm wearing my RW&Co stretch pants. Considered wearing a skirt, but I just felt more like me in pants, and it also was snowing today. And then I wore these shoes. I had different shoes that I changed out of for walking. And they're so comfortable. They are from Aldo. They have a little bit of a textured print on the toe there. And then I love that they have the ankle straps because then that makes them so comfortable. So those are my go-to black heels. And that's my outfit. And now I just headed back for a quick second here to drop off my bag, but now I'm heading out for drinks with a friend, and that's gonna be my night. So I am getting ready and packing for Mexico. I'm like in the middle of cleaning. I have a load of laundry in. Nothing in the laundry are things that I'm packing, but I wanted to kind of get things fresh for when I get back. Like I washed my bed sheets, so I'm just waiting for those to finish in the dryer so I can put them back in my bed. But I need to pack up now, and then my dad is coming to pick me up. He also needs to fix one more thing with my closet, so that's why he's coming. And then he's gonna bring me back to my parents' house, and then I'm leaving tomorrow morning to get my flight, but I'm going back to get my hair cut today. I'm getting my hair cut. It's like way long overdue. It doesn't look bad when it's curled, but the ends are just like really dry, and it's also really long, so I want to get that trimmed. So I need to pack everything up now and then bring it there, and then my mom and I are going to pack like a more consolidated luggage since we are going together. But yeah, I'm just trying to finish cleaning things up here, and my dad is going to be here in about 30 minutes, so I need to pack up my suitcase. I kind of have things set aside of what I want to pack, but I actually need to like put it all together. This was such a daunting and overwhelming task for me. I don't know why I have so much like anxiety around packing, because I'm like worried that I'm gonna forget something, and especially with clothes, which is such a weird thing. Like, why am I so attached to clothes? But I just like feel so much anxiety around packing clothes because I'm like, well, what if I don't have the right outfit for this occasion? I think it's especially because this is a business trip and there's different like things that I need to go to, and there's different dress codes for those, so I want to make sure that I have all of the right outfits, although I am bringing like pretty basic plain pieces so that I can mix and match and always make an outfit work. I've kind of talked myself through it now, but earlier this morning I was just so anxious about the whole thing and really put it off to the last minute. But I've made a lot of progress around here, like cleaning things up. I just unloaded the dishwasher, I emptied out my fridge. I do need to take out the garbage still because I'm not going to be here for a week. But yeah, I kind of wanted to talk through the fact that I get so anxious about packing. Is anyone else like that? I don't know why I am, but at least I can recognize it. I have packed for my trip. I'm actually at my parents' house. I got my hair cut today and the curls kind of fell out, but I like it. It feels nice and fresh, and I got my layers trimmed up. So I've laid out everything that I packed. Seems like a lot of clothes, but that's because I am there on business, so I need to have, you know, business attire for like the evenings of most days, but then during the day I'm gonna be at the pool or at the beach, so it's kind of a lot of clothes. But at least they roll up really small into my luggage. So this is an overview of the clothes that I'm bringing, and yes, I'm only there for 7 days and this is a ton of stuff. I'm gonna start over here. So I have a long sleeve black blazer, I have a long sleeve sweatshirt, and then a knit kind of cardigan shawl that will be like really easy to layer over any outfit, and then kind of a black sweater was really neutral. So I'm gonna be wearing my black sweater as well as this on the plane, because this is really big, kind of opens up similar to a blanket, so if I get cold on the plane, that'll be something nice to have in my carry-on. And then also on the plane I'm wearing leggings and then this tank top, so my thicker clothes I am wearing on the plane and it's not in my luggage. Then over here I have a workout outfit, and I'm doing an excursion. I'm going ATV riding through the jungle, so I figured this was probably something that I would wear on that excursion, as well as if I want to go to the gym or work out while I'm there. Then moving on here, I have two kind of flowy dresses. Well, this one's a dress, this one's a romper. These are just really great like bathing suit cover-ups, as well as this red one here. I wanted to bring kind of bright colors, bright patterns, because it is Mexico. So those are my three kind of day options that I can kind of just wear again and again because I'm just throwing it over a bathing suit. I also do have a short sleeve top option and a long sleeve top option just to pair with some of the bottoms that I packed. Then I did have to pack a little bit more formal attire, so I have this really pretty dress that is longer, that can be worn in the evening, as well as this white kind of lace dress. Again, for the evening, it's like a high-low. I've had this dress forever. This is a black dress that I am bringing for one of the formal events, as well as this jumpsuit, which I love. It's from Aritzia, and a really pretty color that will be great for one of the galas as well. These two tank tops are actually the same top, but in black and white. They are just really great, more formal tops that I can pair with some of the bottoms here. So this skirt is really nice, and it's a long skirt that I think I'm gonna wear to the welcome dinner, so probably with the white top and this skirt here. And then over here, moving on into bottoms again, so I have a pair of denim shorts and a pair of like flowy casual shorts for the day. And then in the evening when it gets a little bit colder, I did want to pack a pair of jeans and a pair of black pants that again can kind of be paired with any of these options. So whether it's a tank top and I dress it up with a necklace, or even that pretty flowy top over there would look really good with the black pants. So kind of interchangeable, and I wanted to pick pieces that I can mix and match together depending on what the weather is or the occasion, because most of the things are planned out in our itinerary, but there are going to be things that are not planned or I don't know are planned until I get there. So I kind of need to have mix and match items. And then finally, just some tank tops for layering. And then in my suitcase already, I have bathing suits. I have 5 bathing suits. I have 3 pairs of socks, underwears in there as well, and pajamas and bras. So that is an overview of the clothes that I'm bringing. And then over here, I have shoes and accessories. So I have a pair of running shoes, which I'm not sure if I'm going to bring these ones or my all black ones, which I think I might actually do because they'll match a little bit better. But these are really great for like running and for probably the excursion, so I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna bring. Black ones are a little bit more muted and they don't look as funny if you like wear them with jeans, versus these are like really like, you know, kind of funny if you wear them with jeans. They are definitely like a workout running shoe. Then I have just black flip-flops. I have a pair of black heels that I'm gonna wear to some of the formal occasions. Then I have kind of a beige pair of heels that are a little bit more casual for daytime or nicer evenings, but not as fancy as these heels. And then just like a pair of black sandals. And then I'm just gonna bring this black little purse that I can keep my things in. And I got this at Forever 21. It has a long strap as well. A few other things that I didn't kind of pull out and show you. In here I have some camera equipment, so I'm bringing my GoPro and the camera that I'm using right now, kind of the chargers and stuff that go along with that are all in this bag with my iPad and the charger. And then in here I just have like makeup and toiletries and sunscreen and stuff like that. And then the last thing missing from here is like my wallet as well as my laptop. So those are all the things that I'm packing for Mexico. Now that it's all laid out on the floor, I think I have everything that I need. So I'm really excited. So the next vlog will be me in Mexico. So that's it, I'm all ready. I hope you guys all enjoyed this vlog, me getting ready and seeing what I packed. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.